What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. If you actually coming across this video, welcome. My name is Sanjeev, and today in this video, I wanted to share with you the awesome thing that is actually happening in terms of building your presence using faceless method, right? And if you are, coming across me for the first time, my name is Sanjeev, and pretty much I teach people how they can actually start their YouTube faceless channel, create content, create videos using automated methods, right? And it's pretty awesome time that we're actually living in this day and age, because you don't have to go out there and get a job, get a second, third, fourth, fifth jobs, and just to even survive, right? This day and age, all you have to do is find what actually works and follow the process, and you'll start to generate income that way, right? That's the easiest part to be able to do that, right? So first thing first, I wanted to let you know is to earn income in the online space, we have to find a way and a system to be able to do that, right? And the best and easiest way, I wouldn't say easiest way, because like people can actually complicate a lot of easy stuff, right? I find it easy because I've actually been doing it for a while. So that's why it's actually second nature. But if you're actually coming across people actually creating videos about, you're going to be making X amount of dollars just by doing nothing, that's wrong, right? You have to do something just to earn income, right? So the first thing is you have to provide some sort of service or some sort of value, right? And the way we actually doing it, how we actually provide value in a huge way, is by creating faceless videos, right? We find a niche that's really trending, and then we create a faceless channel sharing everything about that niche, right? And when people actually come across our video, they love our content, they start watching it, and then we start getting subscribers on our channel. From those subscribers, we start to get little bit of traction on our channel. We start to get views. From those views, we monetize our channel, and once our channel is actually monetized, we start to make money, right? So you don't have to go out there and sell stuff. I know there's like a lot of service based business in the online space, right? And we don't do any sort of service, right? Whoever actually telling you you have to work like 1,000 hours a week just to earn income, that's not right, right? So how we actually multiply our value is we create videos, simple video, and it's literally like a copy and paste method. We create faceless videos. Once we create that video, we upload on YouTube on our channel, and we start getting subscribers, because there's literally thousands and millions of people on YouTube, right, watching videos. So we just have to get in front of those people, and once we get in front of those people, they start watching our content. From those content, we get eyeballs, and from those eyeballs, we make money, right? So simple. So very first way is AdSense. That's the most popular way people actually make money from YouTube. Then they got digital marketing, affiliate marketing. You got brand deals, sponsorships, and there's service base. You can also start on the side. So there's a lot of different variety and a lot of different ways you can be earning income, right? So let me know in the comment section, have you actually started your faceless channel? And if you haven't started, like, what is actually keeping you stuck? I would love to know. And if you still scared till this day, 2026, if you don't know like what's actually happening in the online space, people are creating a whole bunch of content regarding AI. Everyone is getting scared. Like, if you're getting scared, like, why are you getting scared? No need to get scared. But you have to start using AI, because AI is making our job easy. And once we get our jobs easy. We don't have to focus in 1,000 different stuff. Just focus on one thing, get better at one thing, and once we start getting better at one thing, the results will show automatically, right? So with that out of the way, I believe you have actually been following me on Facebook. So just wanted to share with you a few of the results. Just this is not to flex on you or stuff like that. Just to share with you like some of the results from our Faceless channels, and pretty awesome way that we actually been earning income. So this is my Facebook. If you actually been following me in the Facebook, this is my Facebook account, right? And pretty much this is the live I'm actually doing. So basically, this is the results that you can see. Some of our clients' channels, and in the last 28 days, $250. Not a great amount of income, but again, this is a brand new channel. Like we literally start on an already monetized channel, so $250 isn't bad, getting started. Once we start selling this, it's gonna go to the moon. Here's another one that we did yesterday, is pretty much 8K in 28 days. This channel is literally blowing like big time. And inside our community, we have actually put together the whole training in terms of sharing the niche and everything like that. So it is pretty awesome. Like it's all done by Faceless channels, it's all done by AI, right? And here's another one, $100 in the last 7 days. I believe this channel has also started exploding out of nowhere. So pretty awesome stuff. And I can keep scrolling down. There's like another channel that we also started blowing up, and this is the automated system that we actually use. Pretty awesome stuff. Some of the clients interviews that we also doing on a daily basis, and another client is getting amazing results with these Faceless channels. And this is the automated system that I use. I share a bit of it. Here's another channel that you can also see in terms of channel. This is another automation. So this is another video that exploded, $1,600 made. And like I'm not paying anything for the videos. Like it's so simple, So another channel. This is the whole automation that I'm actually created, and it's pretty awesome way that we are also earning income. So this is another one. And so I can keep on scrolling, so you actually get the point, like what I'm actually trying to say, right? So the thing is, you have to get started with AI and Faceless channel. If you don't know how to do it, you can reach out to me and I'll be able to help you out. So just wanted to keep it super short and hope you got something out of it. If you have any question, put in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to reply. God bless. Bye for now. Ta-da.